Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today, I'm going to do a story on Gautam Buddha and his principles. A long time ago, there was a farmer, and this farmer had a son, and he was the one and only son. And the farmer uh, and his wife, they got the son 10 years after their marriage. So they prayed a lot for this son, and when he was little baby, the farmer and his wife gave the son a lot of love, and as he grew up, he grew up with lots of love and things. So he became really very disobedient, and there was not much discipline in his life, and he was looking very thin and sickly and couldn't do anything. So he was almost like 25 years old, but still wasn't able to do anything. So the farmer was very sad. So once he took the son to Gautam Buddha, as the son went near Gautam Buddha, the farmer said to Gautam Buddha that, Lord, this is my one and only son. And then he explained that how the son's life is so bad and is also so weak and so sick, and even at 25 he cannot do any work, and the farmer is getting old and he has to do everything. So he wanted to know from Buddha if his son is really going to change. So the Gautam Buddha look at the son and look at his hand and everything. So the Gautam Buddha said the reason for his son's sickness, and his son looked really sick and he didn't have any energy. His face did not have any lively glow, and his hands veins were sticking out. So the Gautam Buddha said that not only the son was disobedient, also he used to self pleasure himself. So that way, that made his body very weakened due to the loss of the sperm, because that's what makes a man very strong. And that's why yogis practice celibacy. Yogis do not ever think about sex or masturbate or anything like that. So Gautam Buddha told all this thing to the farmer, and the farmer was very sad. So then Gautam Buddha said, okay, you can leave your son to my little cottage, and you have to leave him for 1 month, and then I will work with him and see how I can change his habit and behavior. Then he might feel better. So the farmer did as Gautam Buddha asked him to, and then the farmer put the son on a strict schedule. So morning 4 a.m. he had to wake up with Gautam Buddha, and then he had to sit down peacefully and drink 2 to 3 glasses of warm water. And after that, they went for a brisk walk, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. After they came back from the walk, they made sure their stomach is clean, and then they brush their teeth with the twigs from neem tree, and that keeps the teeth very good. And then they took their shower, and then the first meal was a lot of apples, and usually it's usually seasonal fruit, whatever fruit is available. But the first meal was fruits. After they ate the fruit, then they did some household chores, and they had to go for begging for food from the villagers. And after they did that, they came back and then they cook and ate, and they ate mostly whole grains like rice, whole grains. And if they ate the bread, these breads were made out of ragi or millet or barley, lots of varieties of millets, but they did not eat any white rice or wheat. After they ate their meal, which is mostly vegetables, and then bread made for millets, and then lentil soup, dry bean soup. And after they ate that, then 30 minutes later, if they had it available to them, they ate some sour yogurt, half a cup with some dark brown sugar, which is dark brown sugar, is like sugar cane, and it's come from the ground. It's pure and has all the nutrition. If it was available, if they got it through people donating. And then in the evening, they eat some vegetable cut like cucumber, radish, onion, garlic, some other vegetable which is available, but mainly those vegetables which are digestible, which can be eaten as a salad, but not the vegetables which supposed to be cooked. So only in salad they put, which is cucumber, the radish, horseradish, and onion and ginger and garlic, chops, and lemon juice, this kind of things. They put it on their salad and they eat a bowl of that in the evening time. And then they ate couple of millet bread and some more vegetable soup kind, that is their last meal. And that needs to be eaten between 6 and 7, but no food after sunset. And after sunset, if they got hungry, they drank a cup of milk, warm milk, with some half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then the sleeping by 8 or 9, and then waking up 4 a.m. in the morning. They did the brisk walk. After the comeback, they did some yoga, stretching, and pranayama. And evening also they did yoga, stretching, and pranayama. And then they did, before sleeping, meditation for 15 to 30 minutes. That was just before sleeping. So he put the boy in the schedule for 1 month. Within 1 month, all of his sicknesses were gone, and he stopped self-pleasuring, which is masturbating. He stopped that, and he became totally different person. And when the farmer came, farmer could not recognize his own son. And not only that, he did not want to go home with the farmer. Then he stayed with Goutam Buddha and he helped out. And Gautam Buddha's cottage, and they grew a lot of their vegetables, and he used to go in the daytime for begging for millets and grains, which was a normal ritual. The Buddha and his disciples came 8 months and went from village to villages, and they begged for food in the daytime, and they usually only took whole grain rice, potatoes, vegetable, millets, milk, or curd, which is sour yogurt, and dark brown sugar, which is called gur. And they did not eat any meat, so he forbade him to eat any meat, fish, egg, because they did not believe in killing any animals for personal pleasure, because they believed that by killing animals and eating dead animals meat creates diseases in the body, and also it makes people violent, angry, aggressive, depressed, sad, anxiety, because these are the feelings the animal goes through when the animal is being caught and murdered for the purpose of eating. And when human eats, those feelings went inside human, which is very true, because if we see it in real world, when a person dies, if the person after death did not roam around, if they went where they're supposed to go, then it's okay. But if they didn't, then they roam around, and what do we see? We see those feelings. So we see these ghostly bodies which roam around. Some people can see it, not everybody, and so they have the feelings like cry or sadness or scream, all those things. So the feeling doesn't go anywhere after death. So that's what it is. So even the animals is dead and people ate the dead animal as fish, egg, meat, chicken, whatever, beef, lamb, but the feelings stayed in the meat, and those feelings what caused the diseases. So come back to the story. That boy, he got very well, and his habits and behavior, everything changed due to the fact of changing his diet, changing his daily schedule, daily routine, adding brisk walk 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and adding yoga, pranayama, and meditation, and installing good behavior. The child or the teenager, the man, totally changed, and his behavior changed, his life changed, his attitude changed, mood changed, and his diseases vanished. So that was the most wonderful thing. And there are tons and tons of Gautam Buddha stories where Buddha changed people's life, and these are just the most amazing people that we had. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Good night, sweet dreams. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.